Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And not a whole lot of new to report other than the fact that we got a little bit more confirmation that this red line that I talked about on Thursday is indeed going to be one of those stubborn areas. Now, sure, this morning the price spiked up above it, but as soon as the price got up above it, it was like somebody just flipped the switch. The momentum disappeared and back down it went. Same thing right here. Price broke above that level, and then all of a sudden somebody flipped the switch, momentum disappeared, and back down it went. So by no means am I saying that red line, which is valued right up around, we'll call it $4.04, $4.03. I'm not saying that level can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying we just have that much more confirmation now that if there is going to be any sort of genuine breakout, apparently the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game, because a couple of times, such as right there, and right there. The price hasn't even been able to break through it. But then the other two times, as I've already shown, when the price did get through it, it was still just like all of a sudden the momentum disappeared. So that's going to be a very stubborn level. So confirmation that right up around there is going to be that key level of resistance that a whole lot of people will be watching next week. So we'll see if the price can eventually get the break of that level or not. And then as far as supports are concerned, nothing new here to report. Talked about this area down here at right around 345. And on the bright side, it's not like, today didn't even test it, which is always a good thing. To have a support level and then to have that support level not even get tested, that's a nice step in the right direction. Now, that doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed this thing's going to skyrocket upwards, but at least it's a nice little sign that the price seems to be building even some little higher bases there, which is what you want to see. So keeping your eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, again, especially after today's price movement, so many more people are now going to be watching that 403 area, 404 area. So we'll see if the price can get some sort of break of it or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.